Hello everyone. So our next function is sub function here. Sub means you can say substitute or replacement. So we have three things. The first part is whatever regular expression you want to write that you can write. Based on that, what exactly you want to replace. Okay. So wherever 0 to 9 numbers are there, but where? In the given string. This is given string. Wherever 0 to 9 numbers are there, it will get replaced by hashtag. So control S and F5. This is the answer. And suppose if you want something else like small a to z, your regular expression, you may change. So now instead of numbers, all the alphabets will get replaced by hashtag. So this is nothing but the substitute, or you can say that replacement. That is all about sub function. Thank you everyone.